All right, so here we have our suction machine. It's pretty basic. We're going to go ahead and start here with the power supply. You're going to connect it right here on the side. Okay, here you have your on and off button. Really always keep this plugged in because you only have an hour of battery. Even though it is enough because we're only suctioning for 15 seconds at a time, but just always have it plugged in unless otherwise. Then over here, you're going to see your suction canister, okay? A friendly tip is you want to put some distilled water in the suction canister so all of the secretions don't get stuck on your canister and it's easier for you to clean. So you want to, these are replaceable of course, but in order for them to last you a little longer, you're going to want to wash these out every day with soap and water. Maybe give them a little vinegar, 1 part vinegar, 3 parts water wash as well, and then you can place it back. So up here, you have a filter. We remove this lid, okay? You have a filter in here, right? This filter is meant to protect the machine so nothing comes back into the motor of the machine. So always make sure that it's nicely placed and avoid as much as possible to get it wet. Do not wash your filter. If you wet it, you damage it. And then this part of the tubing, this is also replaceable. You can give this a wash. Meanwhile, you do get your replacement. So this part goes right here. This other end is going to go here. Okay. Now, if we look on the side of the unit, this knob right here, this is how you're going to adjust the suction pressure according to the need of the patient. So you would just turn it here and you will see a gauge at the top here, and it's going to let you know how much pressure you're using. Okay. And then depending on the attachment that you're using, if you're using a little sucker or if you're using a Yankow, whichever it is that you're using, one end of your suction tubing, which these are also highly encouraged to wash with soapy water or vinegar and water. One end goes here, and at the other end, that's where you're going to put your Yankow or whatever modality you're using to suction the patient. And that concludes our training for the suction machine.